Hey guys, welcome back. So today in this topic, we are going to see how I did my Security Plus Global certification. One of the most recognized certification when it comes to security is Security Plus from CompTIA. So this is a certification which is from CompTIA. So if we see CompTIA is recognized because of Security Plus, you will see other certifications which are being provided by CompTIA like Cloud Plus, Pentest Plus, A Plus, IT Fundamentals. This is one of the most recognized certifications when it comes to security. If you want to choose your career in security, if you want to make your career in security, or you are moving from other domain to security, this is one of the most important certification. So similar to ethical hacking, which I discussed in one of my previous videos, I'm going to discuss here my own techniques or how I did my Security Plus. So this is going to be helpful for others who are going to prepare for Security Plus from CompTIA. This is the latest version, which is SY0-601. So I will come up with some other video where we will discuss when you need to go for CH V11 and when should you choose for Security Plus SY0-601. So the old version, which was SY0-501, is already retired. So if you are planning to write the exam, do not go for 501 because it's already retired. So I'm also certified 501. I'm certified 601. So here I'm going to discuss some techniques, some tips, some shortcut methods which I did to get certified. So these are the modules which you need to cover in this training. So if you attend official training, you are going to cover these modules: comparing security roles and security controls, explaining threat actors, threat intelligence, performing security assessments, identifying social engineering and malware, summarizing basic cryptographic concepts, what is PKI, authentication controls, IAM, secure network designs, network security appliances, secure network protocols, host security, mobile security, application security, cloud security, data privacy and protection concepts, instant response, digital forensics, risk management concepts, cybersecurity resilience, or physical security. Now, if you see in these 21 modules, it is going to cover basics of all these other certifications, because if you want to go deep in incident handling, you can go to ECIH, EC Council Certified Incident Handler, or for forensics, you can go to CHFI, Certified Hacking Forensic Investigator. Similar to that, you have CRISC for risk management, or CSX, Cybersecurity Fundamentals. So there are other certifications. For cloud also, you can go either to Azure, or you can go to AWS, or you can go to Alibaba, you can go to GCP. Like in Azure, you can go to AZ900, you can go to 104. Now, Security Plus 601 is going to cover the basics of all these concepts here. So it is more of theoretical. Now, if you compare this with CH, that is where we have a lot of practical. So here, this is more of theoretical. You have almost, if I say, like it is going to be 60 till 70% of the theory, and then you can see 30 till 40% of the practicals in this certification. So to plan for this exam, so you can attend official training for 5 days, 8 hours per day. So that is going to make 8 into 5, 40 hours. That is the official time you need to spend for this, to attend this training. So if you want to plan for this exam, I would say you can spend 3 weeks, 5 days to go through the course content. If you take 4 days, 4 modules per day, so 4 into 5 makes it 20. So in one day, you need to take 5 modules because there are 21 modules. 3 days to go through lab. So it's very important here to go through lab to understand the lab, because they ask multiple choice questions. They will ask also performance based questions. You'll be able to clear that if you go through lab, then 3 days to go through practice questions and 3 days to revise. So I would say 3 weeks is enough. 3 weeks till 4 weeks. So I would say 1 month. CompTIA exams are a little bit tough as compared to EC Council exams. So here you need to spend more time. So when I wrote 501, it was a little harder, but 601 was a little easier for me. So I would say this exam is a little bit easier if I compare that with 501. Now, These are exam details, 90 questions in 90 minutes, passing score 750 on a scale of 100 to 900. So they are using some psychology. Based on that, they are going to increase number of questions based on how you answer in exam. This is the launch date. This is the price, as you know, was available on their website. So if you go to Google and search for CompShare Security Plus, you'll be able to get all that relevant content from their official website. Now, this is a badge from them, and you will also get a certificate. So these are resources which I already discussed in my one of my previous videos, how you can do, how I did my CHV11 latest version. But this is how I did my Security Plus Global Certification, SY0-601. So I'm going to browse these sites to show you what are the sites, not for this exam, but for any exam. So first you need to go to VC Plus. And then you can go to IT exams. Then you can go to exam topics. And you can search for this exam here, Security Plus from CompShare. And the last site you can visit here is YouTube, because there are a lot of people who upload some questions, some dumps in YouTube. So here you can just search for SY0-601. So if you search with a code, you will be able to get these questions. Same goes here. Go to ID exams and search for SY0-601. Not for only this exam, but for any exam, you can see some practice questions. It has helped me a lot. So it's going to help you also. So I would suggest go to this website and search for these exams. It's better to search with a code where it will be easy for you to find these questions. Now, if you see these questions, you can also see answers. You can also go to these questions. You can find answers. You can see people talking about these questions. You can, so these are performance-based questions. This is going to decide whether you pass or fail. And most of the times you can see these questions being repeated. So you can just solve these questions from these websites. And multiple choice questions are very easy. If you see here, is it valid? You'll say, yes, this is still valid. People are talking about this. So you can see here, you can just download these questions. I would not say to purchase them, but there are some free questions which are being uploaded by someone. So you can just download it here. And the last thing is just go to YouTube, SY0-601 dumps. And here you can see a lot of questions, or you can say Security Plus, SY0, or you can directly go to Security Plus dumps and see if you can find some questions here. See 601. So some people have uploaded questions for 601. You can also see 501. If you see here, 501, 100% pass. So I would say solve those questions, because most of the questions might be repeated. So this is how you prepare for this exam. And this is about SY0-601, one of the latest certifications which we have in security, cybersecurity. If you want to make your career in cybersecurity, you need to have CHV11, and you also need to have 601. So in some other video, I will discuss why should you go for when should you go for CHV11 and when should you go for 601, SY0-601, Security Plus from CompShare. Very important certification. So if there's any doubt or anything, do let me know in comments. So this is going to motivate me, keep supporting, so that I'll come up with some concepts, or I'll come up with some lectures which will be helpful. And do like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thank you. See you in some other video.